Hey, world, man, look at these great people over here at Hilo Unit School. Teachers, vice principal here, the greatest school. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big Sakura man in the pen. Awesome. Hey, guess what, man? I'm at KTA here. I got my friend here from Hilo, moved to Honolulu. But who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big Sakura man in the pen. Awesome. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna do something super exciting for you. I'm gonna make Butterfish Nitsuke. This is the Butterfish fillet. People call it babel fish or Butterfish or black cod or I don't know. I'm not a scientist. All I know is the fish is good. Okay, the first thing I do is turn on the stove. I put in about 3/4 cups of water. Now in the water, I grab some of these ondashi. I grab one bag, but I don't use the whole bag. May I use about 1/4 of the bag. Just pour it in, just for flavor. Mix it all up. Okay? Now in here, I put about a tablespoon of sugar. I put about 1/4 cup of sake. 1/4 cup of sake. I put in some ginger. Slice the ginger, put it in here. Then I put in about 3 tablespoons of shoyu. Mix it all up, just like that. Okay, when the thing boils, you see your sable fish, you gotta put the skin side up, okay? Just like that. Okay, and you let it go. Okay, when you put this thing in, right? I grab some aluminum foil, brush them up like this. No, don't cover the whole pan. You just put it lightly right over the fish. Just like that. Okay? And you simmer it for about 12 minutes. Okay? Cover it like that. I'm going to put in some chunks of daikon in there because it's going to actually kill the fishy taste of the black cod. Okay? 6 minutes into it, I just grab the daikon, not from inside. So every so often you can grab it, you can baste the fish, okay? And you want all the flavor to go in the fish, okay? So daikon in there, eggplant, cover it. Wow, I think it's done. Oh yeah. Oh, like it look good. Got the heat. All right. Okay, check this out, man. The burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. There you go. Actually, you let it sit a little while, it's going to taste even better. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. It's so ono. Nitsuke Butterfish. Mmm. Ah. 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 Oh. So until next week, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.